Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.ADNAN. Uh, Today tutorial is related to how can we convert 8-bit image into 1-bit. So that is our today tutorial. But before going to conversion 8-bit into 1-bit, I going to showing you it's a difference between 8-bit and 1-bit image. So the main difference between 8-bit and 1-bit image is lies in the number of possible pixel value that can store in it. So 1-bit image, each pixel can have only two values, 0 or 1, typically representing black and white. So it's depending on your need. It's a binary with a no shade of gray. So that is the difference between 1-bit and 8-bit. When we going towards the 8-bit, it have different pixel have different value from 0 to 255, while 1-bit which have value 0 or 1. So next we going towards the 8-bit. So when we open and analyze and see the 8-bit image, it have a color from 0 to 255, and each pixel have a different color value. So when we open it on a ArcGIS, so you will easily understand it, what is the difference between it. Normally it's have a specific color range. The color or the pixel, the dark color have a less value, while the bright color have a more value from 0 to 255. So it's working base if you need like for example when we doing land use land cover, so we converted 8-bit into the 1-bit image in the depending on our analysis. So its implication of 8-bit and 1-bit. 1-bit image are typically used for simple graphic text or mask, while 8-bit image offer more details, are used for photos, texture, or when more color grayscale. As I said before, it will be in a grayscale form when we need it. So let's have a definite value for each grayscale. So now I'm going to showing you it on the ArcGIS Arcmap. So for it we need to open the Arcmap, and then we open in it our aerial photo to showing you how can we perform it to, and which tool will be used for it to conversion of 1-bit into 8-bit into 1-bit. So here our ArcGIS is opening because it takes time, and when it opens, so we will be call out our aerial photo of selected area, which is our city place of Karachi, Bahadurabad. So we have its aerial photo, and that we will be used in our today tutorial class to converting 8-bit image into 1-bit. So here is an aerial sample which name have in a TIFF form. So that is our image, which is in a band composite form, which I am showing you on a Google Earth Pro. We have its KMZ file, So that area we will be used for today's tutorial. So now we going back to our ArcGIS. And here we have its aerial photo, which is georeference, and now we need to convert 8-bit into 1-bit image. So here it's in a composite form. We convert it into the stretch form, for where we use grayscale. You can see here it's 8-bit pixel dip. After that, to checking the pixel value, so each pixel have different value, just like that, dark place and a bright place. So the dark place have less value for red, green and blue bands, while the bright place have a highest value from 0 to 255. So I will showing you. As we showing you on the slide, it's from 0 to 255, while when we converted it 1-bit image, so it will be just value from 0 to 1. So after that, I'm selecting a bright place of that building which have a highest value, as I'm says you. So here is a inversely proportional. Bright color have a high, just like that. As we know, the bright color have more reflection, while the dark color have zero reflection and more absorb. So that's why when it's a theory of physics, a perfect black color have zero. So it's a we not get a perfect black color in the earth which have a value up to 0, but it start from 0, which is called a perfect black body, just like a black hole which have a pixel, if you can see it. So it's a perfect black, and that will be have 0 color. But here which we have a gray or black color, that have nearest to the value to 0, but not perfect 0. So what is over today, to converting it into the 1-bit image. So for it we will be use, so here you can see the more dark have less value for it, while brighter color have more greater value. So next we going towards our ArcGIS tools which we will be use here. To convert 8-bit into 1-bit. For it we will be use Reclassify tool. Here I am search, in the search tab we will be use Reclassify spatial analysis tool, because we don't have 3D image, it's a simple 2D image, so that's why we will use spatial analysis one. And here we will select it up to 2 classes and equal interval for it. So equal interval in it, it will be differentiate these 8-bit image into defined difference between class 1 and class 2, which we will be given them as a 0 and 1. So here it value will be showing up to maybe 9 or 10 classes, but we will be keep it into just 2 classes. It will depend on your analysis how many classes you want, so you can easily convert it on the basis of its pixel value, which will be showing there. For defined interval, it will be have a specific class up to 5 classes, but if you keep equal interval, so it's up to you how much difference you want and how much classes you want. For here we just basically need 2 classes, so we keep its 2, and that is the difference between classes, and it will be equally interval, equally defined of image. So here we keep first class as 0 and second class name new value as 1, so it will be output as 0 and 1. So we simple keep its output result location where we want in a drive, and after that our result will become we simple going to its output result place, which is in geo database. Here I just write it name, and we not give its a file type because it's a geo database format, so in it we not need to give its file type just like a TIFF, image or JPG. So its default will be it coming as a TIFF format, and we just simple run the process and our result will be generated. So here I OK and run the tool on it and get our result. So after performing it, we will get result in just 2 classes which have a definite value 0 and 1. So no any place have a shadow or just like that, but it will be separated up to basis on classes. So you can see we get the result just on the 2 classes. 2 color will be on the whole map. If we identify any color on it, so if we click on a color of a green, it will be showing a 0, while if we click any pink area, so it will be showing us value as a 1. So that is a conversion of 8-bit image, different pixel value up to specific pixel values with the help of ArcGIS, and these are the values you can see. But when we identify on a 1-bit image, it will giving us a definite value 0 or 1, which will be easy to separate it or to identify it for our specific analysis. If you want to separate the shadow from the building, because shadow will be make our result some errors, so that's why that method you can use for it. So I hope so this tutorial will help you to identify and to convert 8-bit image into 1-bit. If you have any confusion or any question related to it, so you will ask me in a comment section. Inshallah, I will try to answer you, and I hope so this tutorial will help you in your analysis and work. So here I am ending this tutorial. Thanks for watching.